When I speak of being a duke, which I speak of a lot in my personal life, when I speak of that, I'm not referring to who I came from. I'm referring to me. I'm referring I get to start my own legacy with my boys. I get to teach them my values and my morals and my ethics, and I get to teach them how to be good men. And they're my lineage of dukes that is someday going to fill up the world, hopefully with more and more dukes who are also going to be good, upstanding men who, even if they fail at times, are always trying to be the best man that they can be. It's not so simple and easy as people may think. I've had to work on a lot of things, and I mean a lot of things. There's still ways in which I fail at being a father. Luckily, I'm not failing at the ones that I think are the most important, but there's always more work to do. There's always the things that you could improve on, and it's not so simple as just showing up and teaching them whatever you think. It's so much more to it than that. The job of raising good children, and from my perspective, specifically good men, the job of raising good men. There is no more important job in the world. That's why I keep telling my wife, she's a stay at home mom, and not in some small way, that all the things that are not so simple as just simply providing money as a resource, everything that's not that simple, she takes care of, and she's responsible for what our children experience. Money's just money. Anybody can figure out how to make money. She's responsible for how our children experience their childhood years. um, I can't describe how important that is. There is no more important job in the world for her than to raise good children. There's no more important job in the world for me than to raise good children. There's nothing you can do on this earth that's more important than putting forth good people into the world. They are necessary to counteract all the crap that's getting put into the world. And I mean that. I see what everyone else is feeding their kids. I see how everyone else allows their kids to behave, how everyone else allows their kids to talk to other adults, how everyone else is doing what they're doing. And it's not a moral issue for me. I know what the results of their parenting are going to be, and they're not going to be good for my country, which means the country my kids grow up in is going to be a shittier country for no reason other than because everybody else didn't try very hard to create productive, capable, ethical, responsible adults. And that's how I feel about that. But there's no more important job in the world.